America.
We got here a HighLifter 850 Sportsman. Only thing we done, add wheels and stock tires, about to throw on a 2-inch lift, HighLifter 2-inch lift. Heard good things about it, good reviews, and I haven't seen much as far as install video, only the aftermath. So I figured you might want something, you know, like an install video. I know everybody knows how to do it, but it's kind of nice just to watch a video while you do it. So this is what we're gonna bring you. I'm gonna go 2 clicks in the front, 1 click in the rear, and it should be a full 3-inch. We're gonna measure, so we'll see how it plays out, guys.
All right, where are we sitting at? 14¼ inches.
14¼ Granted, the spring is already cranked 2 in the rear, 1 in the front, so it could be lowered to 13¾ I'm not positive, but we're just gonna go with 14¼ inches. See what we get out of this bad boy. Alright, here's what we're running into. When you go to put the front bracket on, you got your brake line, your little clamp to hold it on, needs to be adjusted up a little bit so you can get in here and it sit flat. So I recommend keeping it loose, and once you get this tight, then you can come back and you can tighten up that clamp.
What size Torx bit is that?
That would be a T25. All right.
HighLifter 2-inch bracket on the front installed. Next is the rear. How long did you say that was, Alex?
20-30 minutes, and that's with never knowing exactly how to do it. But just winging it. Brake lines get a little tight, but if you just muscle it.
That is a big thing. There is nothing in the instructions that says anything about that brake line bracket, that line holder. It's going to be in the way, but like I said, you can always just turn it a little bit, but it kind of sits on the edge of the bolt right there. When you're cranking the shocks, just take the weight off. Jack that bitch up.
The other one went really good.
I don't know if that jack's gonna work, bro. It's
I don't know. Let's find out. A little weight off.
Got it.
Okay.
1 click.
1 click.
All right.
1 click front, 1 click rear.
1 click front and 1 click rear. Okay.
Yeah.
How's that feel?
That feels a lot better. I mean, it's still soft. I might go 2 clicks, but goddamn, bro, it feels big.
All right, Alex. What did we find out?
We found out that race-driven brake pads last 1 ride. 1. And let me go ahead and fill you in. The stock ones lasted 7 rides. So if that tells you anything, this is after 7 rides. What the pad looks like.
Turn it sideways. Yeah.
1 ride. Completely disintegrated.
When it comes to your mud quad, don't cheap out. Just don't.
Yeah, put these ones back on.
What do we got here?
You know what's sad? I should probably do it right now.
How long does it take? Let's do it. Let's do the brake pads. Rear brake pads going in before we do the lift. There's nothing left.
There's mud wedges in there. There's nothing left.
Alright, now that we got all the brake pads replaced in the rear, we're going to do this rear HighLifter 2-inch bracket. What'd you use to paint this, man?
Oh, that's just some tractor implement paint. You get it at your local tractor supply. It's way thick. I'd give it at least 3 days to dry, but it comes out just like powder coat basically in a can. I used some adhesive promoter. Stuck it on there, and it just stuck. Everything looks real good. Don't have any issues. I've used it tons of times. Power washing and don't come on.
Looks factory, bro.
Before we were cranked 1 in the front, 2 in the rear on the factory shocks at 14 1/4. Now we're cranked 2 in the front, 1 in the rear.
See what we're
sitting at
16.
Right at 16 inches of ground clearance. Let's just go ahead and throw the 5-gallon bucket. I know they don't do it stock, just because I've had it for a while. So we're just gonna go ahead and slide that back underneath there. Oh,
pretty close. Look at that.
so I mean, we really did gain a full 2 inches. So.
All right, it's proven. HighLifter 2-inch bracket lift. It's legit. Alex taking it out for a little. Oh God, just went like 4 feet up in the air. Oh. We'll see you guys at Muddy Bottoms.
14th.
April 12th, 13th, and 14th. No, 12th and the 13th, right? Okay. April 12th and the 13th, Muddy Bottoms.
I mean, it's actually still really soft.